Students, welcome to Animax tutorial. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like and share. So hope you people have enjoyed your holidays of Dasara. So I think we have completed our similar triangles, that is two theorems. One is your basic proportionality theorem, next one is a converse of basic proportionality theorem. So based on that theorem, we have solved exercise 1 and exercise 2, right? Now we are going to start your third theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, which is important for your exam, and as well as it is important to solve here some problems related to your Pythagoras theorem. So here what is the statement states here? So Pythagoras theorem, the statement is given that in a right angle triangle, the square of length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides. Now based on this statement, if I draw the diagram, suppose this is a right angle triangle. If I name this as A, B and C, this is right angle triangle ABC. So we have what is given here. So as per the statement, it is given that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle B is equal to 90 degree, means they have given that angle B is a right angle triangle. Now what we have to prove? So here we have to prove that the length of the square of the hypotenuse, that is we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So for this proving of this, we need a construction. So what we are constructing here means we are drawing an altitude D which is perpendicular to the line AC, right? So what we are constructing here, we are constructing BD perpendicular to AC. So after constructing this to BD is perpendicular to AC, then we have to start with your proof, right? Now in this proof, what we are going to solve here? So here we have to require AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we don't know whether these triangles are similar or not. First we have to show the similarity of these two triangles. Now if I for that we have to consider triangle ADB, means I am considering this triangle, and triangle ABC, means I am taking the first side of the triangle and the bigger side of the triangle, means a smaller part of the triangle along with your bigger triangle. So first you have to show whether these two triangles are similar or not. For these two triangles, A is common, right? So we can say here angle A is equal to angle A. So what is the reason we are writing here? So both angles are common to the triangle. Next, after that, now can I say here angle D is equal to angle B, because both are here 90 degree. So I can say here angle D is equal to angle B. So both are 90 degree. So therefore we can say here triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. So by AA corollary, right? So based on these two triangles, if the two triangles are similar, already in previous classes we have learned that if any two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So I can write this one as you are taking a base of this one, that is AD by AB is equal to AB by AC, right? Now if I cross multiply, you will get AB square is equal to AD into AC. So I am denoting this as first equation. So similarly, if you take the second triangle, means second part of the triangle, and compare with your bigger triangle, what you will get? Now show the similarity of this. So consider triangle BDC and triangle CBA, means I am considering a smaller part of the triangle, means second smaller part of the triangle and with the bigger triangle. So for that angle C is common for both the triangle, that is angle C is equal to angle C. The reason is both are common to each other. Now we can say here angle D is equal to angle B, both are of 90 degree. So therefore triangle BDC is similar to triangle CBA by AA corollary, right? So after the showing that these two triangles are similar, we have to show their corresponding sides are equal. If the two triangles are similar, we can say the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. For that we can write this one as CD by BC is equal to BC by AC, right? Now if I cross multiply, you will get BC square is equal to AC into CD. Clear? So I am denoting this one as second equation. Now after that what I am doing means I am adding your first equation with your second equation, means I am adding these two equations. So add 1 and 2. Now if I add 1 and 2, what you will get here? AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into CD, right? Next after that, so here you have AC common, so I can write this one as AB square plus BC square is equal to AC is common, so what is left here? AD plus CD, right? Now here AD plus CD, so it's nothing but AC into AC. So AC into AC is AC square. So we have proved that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is hence proved. So like this we are proving here Pythagoras theorem. So means we are showing that the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Clear? Okay students, so now based on here Pythagoras theorem, we will solve some problems here. So in that first one is a ladder 25 meter long reaches a window of a building 20 meter above the ground. Determine the distance from the foot of the ladder to the building, right? So based on this statement, if I draw the diagram here, so this is a building, right? And there is a ladder where it is placing on towards the building which reaches to the window, right, where the height of this ladder is 25 meters and the height of the building is 20 meters. We have to find the distance between the foot of the ladder to the building. Now if I assume this as A, B, C. Now already we know that by Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now substitute the values here. So you'll get 25 square is equal to x square plus 20 square. 25 square is 625 is equal to x square plus 400. I am sending this 400 here. You'll get x square is equal to 625 minus 400. So x square is equal to 225. So x square is equal to 225 square is 15 square. Now if I cancel, you'll get x is equal to 15 meters. So your foot of the distance between the foot of the ladder is given as 15 meters. Clear? Okay students, so coming to our next second problem, that is BL and CM are medians of the triangle ABC, right angle at A. Prove that 4 times of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 times of BC square. Now here these two BL and CM are the medians of the triangle ABC and right angle at A. So if I draw the diagram here like this, this is right angle A, this B and this is C. Now what is given here? BL. BL means this one. So BL and CM are medians of the triangle ABC. Then we have to we have to prove that 4 times of BL square is equal to CM square is equal to 5 BC square. Now how to show? So already we said that this is a right angle triangle, right? Now in this triangle we have two right angles triangle because to show this BL and CM, we are considering this triangle and the smaller triangle. I am not considering this bigger triangle, and I am not showing any similarity rule. So based on that, next we have to consider so triangle AMC. It means I am considering this triangle, this particular triangle. If I consider this triangle, angle A is a right angle, already we know. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write this as MC square is equal to AM square plus AC square, right? Now AM is a midpoint, median in the sense it is dividing into total half. So I can write this one as MC square is equal to AM, I can write as AB by 2 whole square plus AC square. Half of AB is nothing but AM, right? Now we can write this one as MC square is equal to AB square by 4 plus AC square. Now take LCM. If I cross multiply, you will get 4 times of MC square is equal to AB square plus 4 times of AC square. So I am denoting this as first equation. So like this you have to consider the second triangle. So let us take which triangle we have to consider here. Now here we have to consider the triangle ABL because I need the value of BL, right? For that we have to consider the second triangle. Okay, so here we have proved first one. Next we have what we have to prove. We have to take here second triangle. So to find the next value BL, we have to consider this triangle, that is to consider triangle ABL. Now if I consider this triangle by Pythagoras theorem, we know that BL square is equal to AL square plus AB square. Now see here, AL is nothing but half of AC. So I can write this one as BL square is nothing but AC by 2 whole square plus AB square. Now apply your roots square here, you will get AC square by 4 plus AB square. Now cross multiply, 4 times of BL square is equal to AC square plus 4 times of AB square. So I am denoting this as second equation. So already we have first equation here. So here if I write the first equation in this place, 4 times of MC square is equal to AB square plus 4 times of AC square. This is your first equation. So after getting these two equations, then what we have to do? We have to add these two equations. So now if I add 1 and 2, so you'll get here 4 times of MC square plus 4 times of BL square is equal to AC square plus 4 times of AB square plus AB square plus 4 times of AC square. So I can take common here 4, that is CM square plus BL square is equal to AC square plus 4AC square is nothing but 5 times of AC square. Next plus 4AB square plus AB square is 5 times of AB square. Now if I take 5 common, you will get AC square plus AB square. Now see here, AC square plus AB square means sum of the squares of the sides is nothing but square of its hypotenuse. So I can write this one as 5 times of BC square. So hence proved. Clear? Yes, okay students. So next third question is O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. Then prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. So students, whatever we are learning today based on your Pythagoras theorems, all problems are very much important for your exams. So mark it as a double star or triple star or 4 stars, all are important, right? So whatever today we are saying, all questions are important for your exams. So now here O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. So here if I draw a rectangle here, if I name this as ABCD is a rectangle, then O is any point inside of a rectangle. Suppose I am taking this as O, right? Then we have to prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. For proving of this, we have to join the points along with O, and I am drawing a line parallel to these two lines and naming this as some P and Q. Right, so that I am getting 4 right angles triangles, that is 1 2 3 4. So start with your first. So if I name this as 1 2 3 4, now start with your first one, that is consider triangle OPD. Now if I consider this triangle OPD, so here OD is hypotenuse, that is OD square is equal to OP square plus PD square, denote as first equation. Now consider second triangle, that is triangle OPA. If I consider this triangle, we have OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square, denote as second equation. Next go for a next triangle. Now consider triangle OBQ. Now if I consider this triangle, we have OB square is equal to OQ square plus BQ square, denote as third equation. Now again you have to consider the another one, that is consider triangle OQC. Now if I consider this triangle, we can say here OC square is equal to OQ square plus QC square, denote as fourth equation. Now after considering these all 4 equations, then what we have to show? Now see the left side of the value. Now left side it is given that OB square plus OD square, or else right side if you take OA square plus OC square, anyone you can take here. Now if I take, if you want to take right side value, that is OA square plus OC square, we have to consider here second equation and fourth equation. If I want OB square plus OD square, we have to consider here first and third equation. Now I am taking LHS value. Now if I consider LHS here, that is left side value. Now left side value is given as OB square plus OD square. Now what is OB value here? So OB square is given as OQ square plus BQ square, that is OQ square plus BQ square. Next OD value is nothing but what? OP square plus PD square, that is OP square plus PD square. Next after that, here onwards we have to see. Now already we know that P and Q are the midpoints. Midpoints in the sense these two sides are equal, right? Now here BQ is equal to CQ. So in the place of BQ I can write CQ, that is OQ square plus CQ square. Now reason I will write in the last. Now here OP, the PD is nothing but these two. Now can I say this PD is also equal to the line AP, because P is a midpoint. So I can write here OP square plus AP square. So the reason I am writing here, that is P and Q are midpoints. P and Q are the midpoints. That's why we can interchange the values. Next after that, if I consider here OQ square and CQ square, that is OQ square and CQ square is nothing but the hypotenuse square, that is OC square. Now if I consider these two, so I will get here OA square, which is hence proved, which is equal to RHS. Clear? So like this we are considering a values. Okay, so next question is, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meter, more than twice the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, then find the side of the triangle. Now if I draw the right angle triangle, we don't know what is the sides of the triangle, just we are assuming this as ABC, where B is a right angle triangle. As per the problem, it is given that the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle means this one, this side is 6 meter more than twice the side of the shortest side. So we don't know what is the shortest side here, right? So we are assuming that let the shortest side be x, right? X meters. Now what will be your problem here? As per your equation, you have to write 2x plus 6. So hypotenuse is equal to 2x plus 6. Now what will be the third side? So third side is nothing but, if the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, means hypotenuse, from hypotenuse 2 meter less, hypotenuse 2 meter less, means you can write as 2x plus 6 minus 4. So you can write as 2x plus 2. Clear? So after that, okay, 2x 2 meters, right? So 2x plus 4. So this is your third side. Now after that we have to find the value of x. Now how to find the value of x? So by Pythagoras theorem we know that, by Pythagoras theorem we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So where the third shortest side is x and the third side is 2x plus 4. Now substitute in this. So AC is nothing but 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to AB is nothing but 2x plus 4 whole square plus BC x square. Now expand the term here, you will get 4x square plus 36 plus 24x is equal to, here you will get 4x square plus 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16x plus x square. Now here you have 4x square, so I am writing here, that is 4x square plus 24x plus 36 is equal to 4x square plus x square, you will get your 5x square plus 16x plus 16. So I am sending this 4x square completely to the right side. So what you will get here? So 5x square plus 16x plus 16 minus 4x square minus 24x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now here 5x square minus 4x square is x square. Now 16 minus 24 is nothing but minus 8x. 16 minus 36 is nothing but 20 is equal to 0. Now find the factors of this. Now if I find the factors, you can write as x square minus 20 is nothing but 5 4s are 20, 5 plus 4 is 9, so it is not possible. Next option is what? 10 2s are 20, 10 minus 2 is 8, so I can write as 10x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. So in these two x is common, you can write as x minus 10 plus 2 is common here, x minus 10 is equal to 0. If I take x minus 10, you will get x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 equal to 0, and here x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 2. As negative numbers we are not considering, so what is my x value? So x is nothing but 10. So now we have to find what is hypotenuse and what is the third side. So already the shortest side we got, shortest side is 10. So what will be my hypotenuse? So hypotenuse is nothing but 2x plus 6 as per the problem. X value is 10 plus 6, that is 20 plus 6 is nothing but 26 meters. Next after that we have to find the third side. Right, now what is third side here? Third side is nothing but 2x plus 4. Now in the place of x, if I substitute 10, what you will get here? 20 plus 4 is nothing but 24 meters. So like this we are finding our hypotenuse and as well as third side if side is given as 10. Okay, so coming to our next question is, in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree, as usual C is a right angle. Then it is given that BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, AB is equal to C, and we have another point P be the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. Then we have to prove that PC is equal to AB, and as well as we have to prove that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Now as per your problem, if I draw the diagram here, so it is given that C is a right angle triangle, that is A, B, and we have a perpendicular line C on AB. So we are denoting this as, let P be the length. So P be the length means we can say this as some E or D, right? Now the side of BC is given as A, side of AC is given as B, and side of complete AB is given as C, means till here to here is C. Next, what we had to prove? First we had to prove is PC is equal to AB. Now how to prove it? So this is a right angle triangle. Now go for a area of a triangle. Now here consider triangle ABC. If I consider this triangle ABC, this is your height and this is your base, right? Now as per your triangle, say area of triangle ABC is nothing but half times of AC into BC. Now here half times of AC value is B and BC value is A. Now I can write this one as half times of AB. I am denoting this as first equation. Now again in this triangle, if I consider the same triangle, this is your height and this is your base, right? Because altitude always will be height. Now if I consider the same triangle, area of triangle ABC is nothing but half times of CD into AB. Now half times of CD values P and AC values C. Now we can write this one as half times of PC, denote as second equation. Now if I consider 1 and 2, now from 1 and 2, if I assume from 1 and 2 we have 1 by 2 times of AB is equal to 1 by 2 times of PC. Now cancel this half, you will get here AB is equal to PC, which is your first equation, right? Now coming to your second. Now how to prove second one? Now already we have here AB is equal to PC. To prove your second one, we are assuming that AB is equal to PC and converting this complete value in terms of C, that is C is equal to AB by P. Now use your Pythagoras theorem. Now how to use your Pythagoras theorem and substituting the value? Let us see here. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have here that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now AB square is nothing but C square, AC square is nothing but B square, and BC square is nothing but A square. Now C, already C values AB by P, that is AB by P whole square is equal to B square plus A square. Now after that, what we are doing here is we are writing this as A square B square by P square is equal to B square plus A square. Now divide this A square B square here, you will get 1 by P square is equal to B square by A square B square plus A square by B square A square. Now in this B square is cancelled, in this A square is cancelled, so what is left here? 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So hence we have proved here second one also. So hope you people have understood all these problems, whatever we have learned along with your Pythagoras theorem. So practice all these problems, because all these problems are very much important for your exams, especially this problem and the previous one which we have learned in the second one. All problems are important, right? So have a nice day. Thank you.